Welcome to the Biotechnology lecture series. Today we will discuss genetic inheritance. Genetic inheritance is the passing of traits from parent organisms to their offspring. The genetic inheritance could be of two types, genotype and phenotype. Genotype refers to a unique sequence of DNA. A genotype refers to the two alleles an organism has inherited for a particular gene. A genotype could be homozygous recessive, homozygous dominant, or heterozygous. And phenotype refers to the observable trait of an organism. Phenotype is a result of the expression of one or more genes. A phenotype could be brown hair, a B blood type, or blue eye color. And while we are discussing it, let's not forget to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss our next lecture. There are four main types of genetic inheritance: dominant, recessive, codominance, and incomplete dominance. A dominant gene allele is expressed when either one or both is present. A dominant allele overrules a recessive allele. For example, the color purple is a dominant trait. If a plant has one or two dominant alleles, it will be purple. A recessive gene allele is expressed only when both are present. For example, the color white is a recessive trait. If a plant has two recessive alleles, it will be white. In codominance, both alleles of a gene are distinctly expressed. For example, purple and white shows codominance. If a plant has both a recessive and dominant gene, it will be purple with white spots. And in incomplete dominance, both alleles of a gene are partially expressed in an intermediate phenotype. For example, the color violet shows incomplete dominance. If a plant has both a recessive and dominant gene, it will be a mix of purple and white. Now, let's answer these exit ticket questions. And tell us in the comment section, what's one thing you learned in today's lesson? What's one thing you did not understand? And what's one thing you would like to learn more about? That's all from this lecture. See you in the next video for our upcoming lecture. And let's not forget to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss our next video.